Kiskiewicz saw crews at work today. He joins us live in Sagamore tonight. Todd.
Ben and Erica, Eversource says its restoration efforts are now focused on a small number of customers who have complicated situations. You'll see an example of one of those situations in just a moment. But for the majority of people on the Cape tonight, the power is finally back on.
Power went out Monday morning early.
You lose power?
Sagamore Beach. Lost it for 3 days.
For so many people on the Cape, this has been a long, cold, dark week. But now the power is finally back on for just about every customer.
With not being able to do a lot of restoration on Monday because of the winds and the snow, that we had 3 days of restoration to quickly get this wrapped up.
Friday in Yarmouthport, Eversource showed us this detached meter on a home. This is one of the reasons why some customers are still without power.
A lot of people don't know that the line of demarcation is from the utility pole to the top of this meter socket. And this is the customer's responsibility.
In this case, the homeowner needs to hire an electrician to reattach the meter. Then Eversource will reconnect the house to electricity. At the peak, about 500,000 Cape customers were without power. Friday, a food pantry at Barnstable High School was set up to fight food insecurity as this community recovers. Over in Sagamore, we found many people stocking up on the essentials at the grocery store after losing perishable food.
Refrigerator's bad. I had to get everything.
So to recap, the outage map on the Eversource website does show there are still some scattered power outages on the Cape. The utility told us today extra crews will continue to work through the weekend to address any lingering issues. Reporting live tonight at the Sagamore Bridge, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.